My role and title at sportsmed is I'm one of the orthopaedic surgeons who work here. I've been here for approximately 10 years now, and I'm an upper limb surgeon. My predominantly area of expertise relates to surgery of the shoulder, wrist, elbow and hand. I got into orthopaedics in the early part of my surgical career, largely because I found that was the aspect of the surgery that I enjoyed. I saw the outcomes as being good, I saw mobility and function as being a key area of delivering benefit to patients. And that's really why it became more of my focus. I initially started doing accident and emergency, seeing all sorts of trauma, different activities, different attributes of medicine, but then progressively evolved that these were the ones I was interested in, and that became my predominant area. The most rewarding part of my job is actually giving value to patients. When you see someone in a consultation or with an operation, then if you can improve their function, their movement, their ability to return to the sport and activities they enjoy, then that's a clearly very satisfying attribute to my role. Another aspect which is slightly different is the teaching aspect of the job that you've undertaken. And when you see surgeons who've developed and you've taught who come back and say, oh, the reason I do this is what you taught me, I think that's one of the more satisfying aspects of my role. I think patients should come to see me because I'm prepared to give them an unbiased opinion of where they stand, what the expectations are, and also give them value and information. I sort of really find it's important that they see benefit in attending here. And I certainly think that the support services that we offer through sportsmed are second to none in Adelaide. So my personal interests outside of sportsmed are largely related to sport. I'm a very keen armchair sportsman, and also have evolved over a period of time into different sports. I played rugby going through university and enjoyed that, and also now I remain engaged in both soccer and other sports in Adelaide. I've recently taken up windsurfing. I enjoy that to a reasonable level. Outside of work, I have a young family who are growing rapidly, and I'm really keen and involved and engaged in their life and enjoy that, and that gives me a lot of benefit. What makes me tick is sometimes hard to quantify, but I've recently moved to being chairman of the board of orthopaedics here at sportsmed, and that's actually given me a new drive to move into different areas. And I suppose as a summary, what makes me tick is finding those things that you find enjoyable and finding new challenges. Audio Jungle.